This is the Samoa restaurant. This is where we ate. And I'm walking inside. So famous restaurant here. And this is what's left of our food. I'll put up some vegetables. Yeah, they're finishing it already. Still in Chinatown here. Yeah.
So, pagkatapos ng swimming, 7:20, ilang minutes yung bicycle?
Finish ko kasi yung kasama ko so maybe an hour.
An hour to 8:20. Tapos yung running, 2 hours na.
Just finished eating. This is Coit Tower, and this is Kobe Bento. Quickly, Just Dance. We're at Vesuvio restaurant. Performance here. Record ako. Ito na, gini-record ka na. This is the Oakland Bay Bridge.
Babalik ako bukas dito.
Babalikan mo?
Ganun pala
Eh, kasi wala akong video eh.
Sabi sa'yo,
So we reached Sutro Tower on top of Twin Peaks, famous landmark here, San Francisco. There's no view. There's hard to see a view here. Parang hiking trail. Gusto mong pasukin natin hiking trail, di ba?
Wala ko lang yung tower.
Pwede tayo pumasok hiking trail eh. Ano to? Bawal ang kotse. Ay, oh, sorry. Sinisita tayo, kailangan umalis na raw tayo.
Sabi?
By the book yung tao eh. Yaman na. It's too bad. There's too many restrictions here. But anyway, that's it's telling us to leave, so we'll leave. Bobot, mag-ingat ka sa phone mo, okay? Ang lamig talaga. Inawa ko. Dalawang kamay ko nga. We're at Twin Peaks. This is the view. A view of San Francisco. Really nice view. Double-handed ang hawak ko eh. Sabi ko sa kanya mag-ingat. Dalawang kamay hawak ko sa phone ha. Lili pa rin yung phone mo. Sige. Ito na, darating na yung sudden gust of wind, okay? Hawakan mo mabuti yung phone mo. This is the city of San Francisco. Really nice. And that is Sutra Tower there. Very high. Let me go here. Alam mo, ayoko lumapit sa gilid kasi pwede tayong lipa rin sa bundok eh.
Okay, video.
Okay, this is my brother-in-law and my sister-in-law and my brother. And this is the city of San Francisco. I have to be careful because it's too windy in here. I can't even fly my drone right now. It's the car. It's parked.
Akin na yan.
natalo ka na. Ito na. May tiwala ka dyan. Ito na. Mas maganda video, talo kita ngayon.
80
Naku, yung YouTube ko, tatalin ni subscribers mo. Sige ka.
226 subscribers. Ako 330.
Follow mo yung sa Treasure Island, ha? Kalimutan mo na yun. Common sense na ngayon. Alam ko may makita kang sign dito.
Sana Jerome may makusap tayong I just need 740 people to subscribe to my channel. Para kumita ako sa YouTube.
Yan, dito. Follow mo yan. Ha?
Meron ba kayong 740 relatives?
Treasure Island.
Ay,
Follow mo ngayon.
3 miles.
Please nga, follow mo yung 3 miles, okay?
Sige, sige.
At ninatubag mo yung, ang priority mo dapat, Treasure Island. Ano ka ba?
Sige, sige.
Naiinis na ako eh. Ito na.
Okay.
Follow mo yung signs, okay? Hindi mo kailangan ng GPS. Ayun na yung sign eh. Ano ka ba? Mag-exit na tayo. Malapit na.
3 miles.
Hindi ko lang nasa left yung right na exit. Tingnan natin.
Ano pala yung building nito?
Stay ka sa middle.
Mas marami pang building ang BGC, Jerome. Yan?
Ito. Oh.
Chicago, mas marami.
May nag-aabang na pulis sa dulo. Yun o. Nagpo-flash yung light. Ingat ka lang. Okay, ito.
Police nga.
Ito yung buhaya. Ito na. Parang ano yun, great white shark yan. Ito na. Sarap baril yun. Nakaiinis ako sa mga pulis na yan. Dapat kung may RPG-7 ako, in-RPG ko na yan.
Tuloy mo yung video mo, tuloy mo.
Ito na. Ito. Follow mo yung sign.
Yeah.
Bitawan mo na yun. Mag-charge ka na.
Yung church na yun, maganda.
Hindi mo na kailangan navigation. So we're on the Oakland Bay Bridge.
We're
Going to Treasure Island.
Treasure Island.
Yeah.
This is where we were billeted for 2 nights before we went to boot camp in San Diego back in June 1975.
Magkasalita ka, nahihiya ka. Ano mo nangyari sa'yo?
Yeah.
Ang tami.
So we're now in the Oakland Bay Bridge, correct?
Yeah. Kita mo na sa lower level tayo eh. The other level is going the other direction, yeah. It's the same design, yeah. They actually rebuilt this. Not sure why it looks old though, yeah. This is supposed to be the new redesign, yeah. Ito me, the Golden Gate, remember the design is not up and down. The Golden Gate's left and right, the lanes, you know. This is a different design. Follow mo yung ano.
Kaliwa kanan.
Actually nasa left actually. Kasi nasa Vista Point tayo. Nakikita ko to eh.
1.7 miles to the right.
Okay, sige.
Macalya Road.
Din pala, okay.
To the right, Macalya Road.
Ang
Treasure Island.
Treasure, kala ko tinasagot mo yung Golden Gate.
Going to Oakland.
Nandito yung Golden Gate, naalala ko kasi
Going
Vista
to
Point, nasilip ko to.
Treasure Island. 1.5 miles to Macalya. Nila.
Hindi, nagre-record ako, sabihin mo.
Okay.
Wala.
We're now going to Treasure Island.
What year was it?
June 1975.
Okay, continue.
We're still far away.
Bakla. Magsalita ka nga.
Oh, stop. Stop sign yan.
Continue straight to stay on the
Stop sign yun.
Oo nga,
Yung
ano.
kanina, yung
Walang pakialam.
coming from that side.
Hindi, sinasabi, saan tayo magta-turn?
Straight pa tayo.
Saan yun? Straight.
Macalya Road.
Yan, dito. Huwag ka magkakamali dito, okay.
Macalya Road.
Ikaw dapat nakaalala, Treasure Island, saan ba yan?
Stop sign.
Magjo-join tayo ulit ang 80, nakita mo?
Diretso.
Diretso tayo, sige. Okay. Kala ko mag-80 ka na. At least alam na natin pabalik, dito ang pabalik.
Straight lang. Ito Treasure Island.
Sa left side pala, okay.
Kasi bomba eh.
So we just arrived at Treasure Island. This is
No,
Treasure Island.
not yet.
Oh, not yet, okay. Treasure. Almost there.
Wala itong mga bahay na to, Jerome, dati eh. Empty yan.
Ganun ba?
Yeah.
So we're almost at Treasure Island.
Hindi, doon pala kami.
Oh,
Is
it's
that
a good
the Oakland Bridge?
Oakland Bay Bridge. Yeah, it's
Oakland Bridge.
redesigned. It's brand new. Yeah, see, it's beautiful.
Hindi, ano yung dinaanan natin kanina?
Kanina Oakland Bay para on the way home, going south na 'yan, oh.
Yung gray naman.
Ito nasa right lane tayo, ano? To-turn right pa tayo?
Are we turning right?
Yeah.
No, turn on red.
No,
Okay.
turn on red,
Okay.
yeah.
This is Treasure Island Yacht Club on the left here. And that looks like some kind of hangar. Oh yeah, road close.
Is that the new bridge? Kuno mo.
Yeah, this is the Oakland Bay Bridge.
The new one.
Yeah, the new redesign. They demolished the old one, the one that got destroyed by the earthquake. Yeah.
That's right on 9th Street.
Okay.
Ganyan,
So on the right, these are the naval barracks here.
wala kaming ginawa. 2 days, pupunta kami sa Francisco.
This is like the transition center
Kakain.
before they joined boot camp. But
Nanonood ng porn sa movie.
yeah, San Diego
Excited pa kami.
training ground. Yeah.
Sa Amerika eh. Malamig.
This is their first stop. People who are joining the Navy from overseas. From overseas lang to, no?
These are the old barracks to the right.
Oh, okay. Sorry. These are the old barracks.
Navy,
to the right.
That's the Navy barracks.
Kita mo, luma na, yeah.
That's the old,
Pero
that's
barracks
where,
pa rin natin.
that's where we stayed.
May
Ang
nakatira
haba, no?
Meron pa rin.
Yeah, Navy barracks.
Ginagamit pa rin nila, eh. Okay, so...
Fine dining pa.
Oh.
Gusto mo i-climb ko yung fence para may babarilin kaya ako dyan. Ay, yung cafeteria yun, no? Baka may pagkain, nagugutom ako, eh.
Oh.
So we just made the right turn. These are the old barracks here.
Ganda ba?
May sign nga nakasulat, eh.
And then there was
And
a
that's the
bus
Oakland Bay Bridge.
at that time that goes around this area. We will take the bus to downtown San Francisco.
Continue, okay.
Tapos we will see the bay.
Nice, okay. Oh, and did you see the LGBT flags here as well?
Are this LGBT?
Yeah, you see the rainbow?
Oh, the flags.
Okay. Don't make any comments. I'm watching you.
Yo, that's it. That's the story. Di ba, Jerome, imagine, ha?
Yeah, no.
SFFD. Oh, San Francisco Fire Department. Yan. Firefighting school, no? Oh. Red yun, ah. No turn on red ang putang, ano?
Wala siyang pakialam, eh. Wala naman baka may camera, no?
No turn on red.
Oh, this is the terminal for the Pan American Airways
Clipper.
China Clipper seaplane. Yeah.
Yeah.
Long time ago, long time back. Yeah. Ano, parking
Wala
natin.
to.
No park anytime.
Hindi.
Emergency lights natin ako.
Emergency light naman.
Okay, sige. Sige, video ka na. Yeah, masaya na. Masaya na yan.
Relax mga bata.
This used to be the Pan Clipper terminal for the seaplanes during the transatlantic flight years ago. Decades ago, actually. That's the Oakland Bay Bridge. And that's the city of San Francisco. Okay, we just need to use the restrooms here. So we're inside the yacht, Treasure Island Yacht Club here. This is very nice, the pictures here. Reminds you of the good old days when they were flying the Pan American Airways seaplane. And this is where I guess the customers who flew transatlantic flights, this is where they had the drinks. Huh? Oh, yeah. Okay, let's take a picture of that. Okay, good. It's a nice plane, actually. This used to be the Boeing China, the Boeing China Clipper. Okay, here we go. Treasure Island Museum.
Oh, it was the bottom, huh?
Oh, and this is nice, yeah.
So if you look it up online, you have to look up the best way to get
Okay, this is the story of Treasure Island. Just read that. Pause the video. Treasure Island has a rich history. Actually, just read this, and below you department.
How about the bar? Are they still open? What is it?
Oh, here.
Clipper.
Okay.
Then this is where we are right now,
Okay.
and then this is where they took off around this area.
Around that area. Okay.
Yeah, that area this area is where they took off. This
Okay.
area,
Okay.
that area that they took off. This is the one.
Oh, okay. Got
That's
it.
where they took off.
The CAA.
Yeah, and then this is where we are right now.
You okay?
Then the hangars are that one. That's the hangar
Oh,
of the
okay.
Clipper.
Now I see it.
The
Yeah.
hangar of the Clipper.
Okay. Those big hangers here.
Yeah.
The
See
sea Clippers.
this is the Clipper, Joe. Hold on.
Yeah.
Hey, umiikot ka. That's the bridge before, the Oakland Bay Bridge.
Actually, it's a big plane. Yeah.
That's
wait.
the bridge before. That new bridge.
Yeah, that's the original Oakland Bay Bridge.
Yeah, that's this thing in 1935. It went to Manila.
I'll take a picture of this. Hold. Yeah, so they can see. This is the narration. Okay.
Nandito kami sa museum, sir. Sa museum na.
Babalik
Nandito
na.
kami ni Jojo.
Babalik na rin ako. Ito na. Okay, this is it. So, wala na akong chart. We're at the Embarcadero. Yeah.
Embarking on the
Near Fisherman's Wharf.
Si Malit,
And this is where they shot the film, where the giant octopus, I forgot the title. I think it was Giant Octopus or whatever.
Si Malit.
Yeah.
Octopussy?
No, it's not tentacles. I think it was Giant Octopus or whatever.
Ano pala James Bond dun?
Embarcadero. Obviously, at that time, they used claymation to shoot the movie. And it was created by the famous guy Ray Harryhausen, the guy who always used claymation for animated monsters. Yeah. Oh, here. This is,